This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. Purchasing a Rolex in 2025 requires a more cautious approach than in previous years, as the market landscape has undergone a significant transformation. Rolex has implemented an average price increase of 7% this year, reshaping the dynamics of profitability across its model lineup. While certain models continue to offer strong resale potential, others now carry inherent financial risks that can lead to immediate losses upon purchase. The key to navigating this market lies in understanding which models retain their value, which come with hidden risks, and which should be avoided entirely. In this video brought to you by the Luxury World, we will give you an in-depth analysis of current trends and reveal a clear categorization of Rolex models, where performance in the secondary market can be assessed. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do so to stay informed on future updates. Rolex Datejust, a mixed investment outlook. The Rolex Datejust remains one of the brand's most iconic models, but its investment potential in 2025 varies greatly depending on the configuration. Certain variations, particularly two-tone models, smooth bezels, and oyster bracelet versions, should be approached with caution. A prime example is the Rolex Datejust 41 reference 126333 in steel and yellow gold with a champagne dial, which retails for approximately $14,000 but trades for around $12,500 on the secondary market. This represents an immediate loss for anyone seeking to resell it. Similarly, Datejust models with champagne, silver, or plain black dials often fail to maintain their value, making them poor choices for investment. However, the Wimbledon dial in steel and yellow gold performs slightly better, with resale prices just above retail, though it remains a modest investment. The most promising Datejust configurations include full steel models featuring fluted bezels and Jubilee bracelets paired with highly sought-after dials, such as mint green and blue. For instance, the Rolex Datejust 41 reference 126334 with a blue dial, retailing at around $9,900, commands a premium in the gray market, trading for approximately $11,000, making it a solid choice with potential for appreciation. Rolex Submariner. The steel dominance continues. The Rolex Submariner, an enduring icon in the Rolex catalog, continues to perform well in 2025, although not all versions deliver the same returns. Full gold Submariners, such as the Submariner Date in yellow gold reference 126618LB, retail for around $41,000, but often sell below retail on the secondary market. Another underperformer is the white gold Submariner, known as the Cookie Monster reference 126619LB, which has also struggled to maintain its value. Two-tone Submariner models, like the bluesy reference 126613LB, fare better by holding their value close to retail at approximately $15,600. However, they still lack the investment strength of full steel models. Stainless steel Submariners remain the most lucrative option, with references like the discontinued Hulk 116610LV commanding significant premiums in the secondary market. The Submariner Date and No Date models also continue to generate strong demand, making stainless steel Submariners a safe and reliable investment. Rolex GMT-Master II. Steel reigns supreme. The Rolex GMT-Master II has maintained its status as one of the most desirable models, but only certain versions remain solid investments in 2025. Precious metal GMT models, such as the full yellow gold GMT-Master II reference 12671AGRNR, retail at around $43,000 but trade for significantly less at approximately $39,000. Similarly, the white gold GMT models, including the Superman Pepsi, have seen declining values in the secondary market due to lower demand for precious GMTs. The two-tone GMT-Master II, often referred to as the root beer or zombie, remains a neutral option. Retailing around $17,800, its market price stays relatively close to retail, making it an acceptable but not highly profitable choice. Steel GMT models, however, continue to dominate, with the Batman, Batgirl, and Pepsi references maintaining high premiums over retail. These models, with retail prices around $11,100, consistently trade well above that figure, reinforcing the strength of steel GMT Master IIs as highly secure investments. Rolex Daytona, a consistently strong performer. The Rolex Daytona remains a powerhouse in the luxury watch investment world, with virtually no models presenting a significant downside. Two-tone Daytona models, while less desirable, still hold their value close to retail, around $23,000, but lack the liquidity of their stainless steel counterparts. The most lucrative Daytona references include the stainless steel Daytona Reference 126500N and the Platinum Daytona, both of which continue to appreciate and remain in strong demand. These models consistently perform well in the secondary market, making them top choices for collectors and investors. Rolex Sky Dweller, a market with extremes. The Rolex Sky Dweller presents a more complex investment landscape in 2025, with outcomes varying widely depending on the configuration. Full gold Sky Dwellers in yellow gold, retailing for around $53,000, often sell for $44,000 or less in the gray market, leading to significant losses for resellers. Similarly, Oyster Flex Sky Dwellers exhibit poor resale performance. However, certain configurations, such as the Sky Dweller Reference 336,935 in rose gold with a blue dial, defy this trend by trading above retail at around $58,000, reflecting a $2,000 premium. Steel Sky Dwellers, particularly those with blue dials on Jubilee bracelets, remain highly sought after and trade above retail, making them a safer investment. These models continue to demonstrate strong demand and price stability, reinforcing their status as solid buys in 2025. Rolex Oyster Perpetual. Vibrant dials lead the way. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual remains a vibrant segment of the market, where colorful dial variants consistently outperform more conservative configurations. Basic models, such as the black dial Oyster Perpetual, often result in losses for buyers and are difficult to resell. However, the Celebration Dial variant has emerged as the standout performer, attracting high demand and commanding strong premiums in the secondary market. This trend underscores the importance of selecting models with vibrant and unique dial options when considering the Oyster Perpetual as an investment. Insider Insights: Playing the Rolex Market Smartly in 2025. The Rolex market in 2025 presents new challenges, requiring buyers to adopt a more strategic approach. In the past, virtually any Rolex purchase could yield profits, but today's market conditions demand a careful selection of models with strong resale potential. Flipping watches has become riskier, and uninformed buyers risk losing thousands of dollars by making poorly researched purchases. One of the most critical factors to consider is condition. Dealers emphasize that watches with full sets, including original boxes and papers, sell faster and for significantly higher prices in the secondary market. Hidden gems still exist in the market, with certain models quietly increasing in value while remaining under the radar. One example is the rose gold Sky Dweller with a blue dial on a Jubilee bracelet, released in 2024 and already trading above retail prices. Dealers are increasingly betting on this model, becoming the next big hit. Success in the current Rolex market hinges on identifying these opportunities before they gain widespread recognition. Understanding these nuances is essential for anyone looking to navigate the evolving Rolex market effectively. By focusing on models with strong demand, avoiding high-risk configurations, and paying attention to conditions, collectors and investors can maximize returns and mitigate risks in 2025. What are your thoughts on the Rolex watch models that you should buy in 2025 shared in this video? Let us know by leaving a comment and giving this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the Luxury World for more insights into the world of luxury timepieces.